This video will demonstrate the correct log assembly to get the best look and ember glow. Place the large chart ember bed A on the burner base pins 3 and 4 between the front and rear burner tubes. Place log B onto burner base pin 2 located on the rear far right. Place log C onto burner base pin 1 located behind the rear burner tube on left. Place log D onto burner base and air shutter box located on the front far right. Place the glowing embers on the burner tubes covering all ports. Place embers on ember bed A as shown. Place log E onto log B pin. Log B has 2 pins. Use the rear pin. Place log F on the ember bed A onto pins 2 and 4. Place log G on the ember bed A onto pin 5. Place log H onto ember bed A pins 1, located on left, then on burner base pin 5. Install log I onto log B pin. Log B pin has 2 pins. Use the front pin. Place log J onto log H pin. Log H has 2 pins. Use the rear pin. Place log K onto log D pin. Place log L on the ember bed A onto pin 3. Place log M into gap of log H and front burner, located on front left. You may need to slightly lift log H. Place log N onto log H pin. Log H has 2 pins. Use the front pin. Place additional decorative rocks and embers in any empty areas around the burner base as desired. Pay attention that the rocks and embers do not block any burner tube ports.